So you want to be profitable, you want to pass your funded account challenges. You're you're on this channel because you want to learn how to trade the silver bullet strategy. Well, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go over the simplified steps of becoming a ICT silver bullet trader. And we're going to go over all of the fundamentals that it takes. And I am going to show you guys a trade recap that I took on Wednesday, August 23rd. So the silver bullet strategy. This is going to be a strategy traded in the AM session. Granted, we are on the New York time zone. So if your charts are something different, put them on the New York time frame, UTC4. All right. We are going to trade from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. in the Eastern Standard Time. You're going to acknowledge a zone of liquidity to be taken out. All right. Once a zone of liquidity is taken out, you're then going to look for a MSS, which is a market structure shift. Once you see that, you're going to look for a price displacement between three candles, creating a fair value gap. Now, once price retraces into that fair value gap, you're going to enter your trade inside of it. I typically like to enter within 50% of that fair value gap. Now, your target is going to be a minimum of 5 points, and you could go to 10 points if you manage the trade correctly. And you want to have a 5-point stop loss. All right. Now you want to manage your risk. Now, how do you manage your risk with the silver bullet strategy? And how do you make money, and how do you keep your wins bigger than your losses? Well, you want to take 1 to 2 trades max. That's win or lose, right? So if you win a trade, probably want to be done for the day. If you want to take another one, sure. Don't trade more than twice. Win or lose. Do not over leverage. Use the correct position size that will allow your take profit to give you a 1% return when the trade hits 5 points. Okay, so for example, I'm on a $50,000 account and I trade futures. So I trade 2 contracts, because with 2 contracts, whenever the trade hits 5 points, I'm up $500, and that's 1% for me. Now you use a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. So if you are profitable in the AM session, do not trade the PM or the London session. There's no point. You don't want to give your money back to the markets. You woke up, you traded, you made money. Don't give it back. Now, if you take a loss, for example, if you take a loss in the morning and you lose 2.5, sorry, that is incorrect. Huge mistake on my end. Let me fix this. So that should 0.5 or 1%. So if you wake up in the morning and you take a loss and you lose 0.5% and you don't trade the AM session anymore, okay, you can technically go into the PM session risking another 0.5%. There's nothing wrong with that. So our profit goal is always 1%, and our losses are going to be 0.5% or 1%. Okay. Now, if you follow these rules, you will be profitable and you will pass these funded account challenges that you're trying to pass. Okay. So I have the silver bullet strategy right here for you guys, and the risk management right here as well. If fees get in the way during this, I will scoot them over. So let's go over this trade that I took Wednesday of this week. August 23rd is the day. Okay. So here's my London indicator, or sorry, my Asian session indicator. Okay. Now, what you can always use is the Asian low. I'll just put this here. It's the Asian low. you can use the Asian low as a zone of sell side liquidity. Okay. So that was our sell side liquidity for our AM session on Wednesday. Okay. Now, as you see here, it swept the Asian low, took out the sell side liquidity. Okay. Move these over. Now we trade between 10 and 11 a.m. So I'm going to put our zone here, our trading time frame. These between these blue lines is when we're looking to trade, okay? So I'm just acknowledging when I wake up in the morning, okay, well, that sell side was taken out. Okay, but I'm not entering right here because we're not in our time frame yet. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward this. I did not record this live, so I'm just going to recap it in replay mode for you guys. All right, so let's play this forward here. We're looking pretty bullish, right? You do have a fair value gap here. Fast forward. Okay. That one wasn't tapped into. Sorry, I'm trying to remember exactly what I took here. Let me remove that. So actually what it was, let me rewind this for you guys. What I took was this one here. Bear with me. That was what I took here. Okay. So what do we have? We have a market structure shift. Let me align that to the center. We have a fair value gap right here that it tapped into. I was at 50%, targeting 5 points. Okay. Now this is on the 1 minute. Stops are at 5 points. Now let's play this forward. There was our 5. Okay. Interesting enough, what I had noticed it did during that trade was it even tapped back into it perfectly. Look at this. Huge respect on that. And that was basically it. That was the trade. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, a 5-minute trade for 5 points. Basically a point a minute. Now that's all you need. You know, if I wanted to go for 10, I probably could have got 10. Yeah, right there. But I'm not always looking for 10. I'm looking for 5. 1%. That's all we need here, right? Consistency over time is going to be your best friend. Okay. Now, this was just a short and simple video of looking for our setups and our strategies and whatnot. So follow these rules, follow this strategy, and you will pass. It's not as hard as it seems. Backtest if you need to, rewatch videos. ICT has all of his information for free on his YouTube. Feel free to check him out. I'm going to be dropping as many videos as I can. We do have a Discord here, so you can Join our Discord. We do live trading every single morning. Well, not every single morning. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Mondays and Fridays are pretty choppy. Now, if Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday has news, we're probably not going to be trading. Questions and answers. We can go over risk management. Any questions or anything you have, you can jump in this Discord, ask. It's $49. It's only a one-time fee. So if you're interested in that, link is going to be in the bio. You don't have to. It's there if you want it. But I hope this was simple enough for you guys, and wish you the best in your trading journey, and see you guys on the next one.